Welcome again to the ACE channel, where we look at some of the ACE products that are on sale from us. Remember, we sell anything from a connector to a radio mast, and all brands from Intel to Zartec. Let's have a look at what we'll be doing today.
Okay, so today we will be having a look at something else. Although I have a picture of a PT8100 Kirisun here, as you can see, this is a standard PT8100 VHF radio, which is also available in UHF. This is not what I'm going to do today. What I am going to do today is actually something that one of the comments had asked me to do, and I like this interactiveness from everybody that has left some comments. What I'm going to do today is take this radio and show you how the remote mount kit works on it. So simply for this exercise, I will be using the radio, putting the rest aside, and I will do the installation or the actual work. I will show you what is available that you need to do. So for this you will need a Kirisun radio, and then of course the other bit, I'm just going to put the radio one side for now. The other bit is the installation kit. Now there was no instructions, the installation kit simply came like this. Let's take a look and see what we've got inside. There was no instructions supplied, no booklet, no specs, no nothing, it was just supplied like that. Okay, so here we can see we have this installation cable, the separation cable, which I doubt is longer than 5 meters, but I can measure it out and let you know with two of these multi-pin plugs. We have a little flexible strip here, okay, and then we have the actual bracket, also just supplied like that. I do not understand that these people don't have decent packaging. And what I'm showing you is basically, this is the bracket that the face will be mounted on, and then this is the part that will be mounted on the radio. Okay, so without any further ado, let me show you what it is required to actually do this installation. So do not attempt this if you are not a technical type of person. If you have no soldering iron or no technical experience, do not attempt this because you could damage something, and I will show you inside. Right, you will need a special torque bit type screwdriver, and I will simply loosen this here on this side for you. Make sure you know where you put the little screws, as they are tiny and could get lost. Okay, and that's about it. That's all you need to do. As far as a warranty point of view is, I do not know how it's going to affect the warranty. You simply open the radio and you see that there is a little flexible cable similar to the one that is found in the kit. Okay, it is quite easy to get it out. You simply push these two parts forward and this part will slide out like such. What is concerning though is the fact that the speaker is still connected. So you will need a soldering iron to desolder those two wires and solder them onto the next two pins I show you. This is as far as I can go. I will come back this now and show you. The part that gets mounted onto the radio is this little part here. Now over and above the normal strip, you will see that there are two sets of pads. Those pads can be used to solder something on, like for instance the speaker wire. I have tested them through and they test to exactly the same points as on my little kit, the other end. So after this break, I will quickly do the soldering for you and show you, and just stand by for me. Okay, so after a few minutes, we have done that. We have removed the speaker and soldered the two speaker wires onto the solder tabs that we have there. We've inserted the little flexi track into that unit there. Make sure that the silver pins are facing away from you. Then it is as simple as putting the screws back and securing the little faceplate. I'll put one in there to show you. I'm not going to force it, but as you can see, the screws aren't aligning up 100%. I'm sure with some motivation you can get it to fit there, but I'm not going to damage anything by trying to insert the screws there. The next step to do will be your faceplate that has the opposite of what you've done there. So in other words, you insert the flexi strip in this manner so that the shiny parts are away from you down towards the contacts. Lock those pins and then solder a piece of wire on the same side of the tabs and back to the speaker. I don't feel it is fair that they did not send these items because I had to source a piece of wire and solder on there. They could have put a little Molex connector there for you to simply pull it out and just plug it in there, but they didn't. Another problem which I see is that the fitting of this is also very dodgy. You can fit it. If you don't do a good job of it, you'll probably end up damaging the flexi strip. So it seems like, I don't know if this is a generic little kit, but it is not the best fit available. Your next step will obviously be to insert this little cable like so. Okay, and the other end you will mount or plug it in there. So this concludes our tutorial on how to fit the remote mount kit on a Kirisun PT8100. But I do have a few doubts. This does not seem to be the perfect ultimate solution. I don't know if this is a Kirisun kit. We received it from the local agents, and I do seem to have a problem that the holes that they have there do actually line up. If you see, they do line up, but there are no screws. On the other side, there are no screw holes, but only the lip on the inside, and I do feel that is problematic. The little strip supplied can be folded so that it doesn't get damaged once you put it back, but I do feel that this kit has some limits, and you do need to have some fairly good technical skills to make it work, as it is not a perfect fitting kit. But there you go. For whoever requested this, I'll mention your name in the bottom there. This is basically what it'll look like. So you can mount the device under the seat of a vehicle or in the boot, and then just mount the little face in the front where you can find space. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and follow us on Facebook.
Thank you for watching another great review from Ace Comms. Please like, subscribe and share our videos. Also feel free to send a comment, request for a review or just a shout out. Stay safe till next time.